Dear friends of the mystical path, today I would like to tell you about the 3 causes of vital energy breathing. In the first course, you will learn what life energy is, where it can be found, how to breathe it, and what it is good for. For example, breathing life energy strengthens your health, improves your performance and your well-being. A higher level of life energy helps you to be more successful in life and to enjoy life more. In the theoretical part, you will also learn what bad energies are and how to release them. In the second course, you will learn how to breathe with the whole body, with individual body parts and with organs. This will allow you to target energy to specific parts of your body and recharge quickly. In addition, you will learn to inhale large amounts of life energy and thus massively increase your energy level, which has very positive effects on health, resistance and success. The third course is about the life energy breathing of spaces and objects. You will learn to create the atmosphere of rooms in a positive way and to dissolve negative influences. You will be able to create spaces for healing and well-being, but also for inspiration and other purposes. Objects can also be filled with life energy and programmed for positive ideas. In the practical part, you will learn the specific breathing technique, and in the theoretical part, you will learn the basics for the successful programming of life energy. The 3 causes are built on each other and are the basis for health, well-being, and success in life. Please also have a look at the other videos of the individual courses. Thanks a lot for your kind attention. I wish you all the best and much love. See you soon.